What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And unfortunately, all good things come to an end. That is loud. You guys heard that right. First of all, before we get into this video, guys, I want to go ahead and thank each and every one of you supporters and subscribers for coming along on this journey and helping me grow this channel. Hopefully in 2021 we can keep continuing this growth and get to 10,000 subscribers. So help me get to that goal and hit the subscribe button. About 3 out of every 4 you guys are not subscribed, so that would really help me out a lot, and hopefully we can hit that 10,000K goal by the end of the year or even sooner. Of course, I do have a merch store down, link in the description below. Hats, shirts. The biggest thing that I want to talk to you guys about today is, of course, my 2019 Camaro SS. We've been through a lot in this channel, and this channel has grown because of that car back here. But all good things must come to an end, guys, and at this point I am ready to move on to the next project, to the next thing, and that means this car is going to be sold. And the first step to selling this car is going to be removing the wrap. So today we are going to be removing the wrap and installing back the street wheels, and show you guys what the last cold startup is going to sound like. It's pretty chilly and cool outside. Ideally for a wrap removal you want to have it nice and warm, but shouldn't be an issue. So I do have a plan. I don't think this thing is going to be over completely. I do have a plan. We are going to be replacing this car with something that I think is going to be much better and help us go even faster. So as I remove the wrap, I'll go into more detail on the car and talk to you guys about what I plan on getting, what the future plans are for the channel. Now first, let's go ahead and give you guys potentially the last cold startup of the Camaro SS. Sebastian loves that sound. He really loves it. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead. I gotta pull the car out so that I got space to do what I gotta do, and then we'll get started with removing the wrap and just talking about the car. ¿Te gusta el carro? Sí. Vroom, 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 vroom. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and give you guys a little walk around here. Now again, of course, I do have the wrap which we're going to be removing today, but this car has been amazing. I've done quite a bit to it. Of course, the full ZL1 style rear diffuser, side skirts, front splitter, the wells on YYZ drop springs, which have been performing amazing. The car gives it a great stance. Got the anvil notched 6th gen spoiler. A lot of cool details this car has that makes it stand out to pretty much any other Camaro out there. Even when we remove the wrap, it will still look really, really good. But the main thing is this car's got an amazing engine setup with the heads and cam and tuned by Prey Performance. Brett doing an amazing job. The Nitrous kit, and this thing just flat out performs like a bat out of hell. It runs and drives amazing. I could daily drive it if I wanted to, which is amazing considering the stage 3 cam that it has. Really, really awesome car, guys. I have had 0 complaints with this thing, and it has just been an amazing ride. Nothing but positives across the board, and I can't wait for the new owner to enjoy it as much as I have. Now, to replace this, guys, obviously I'm a big GM guy. You guys can see that's my dad's truck there, but I have my own 2011 Denali. I'm a big GM guy, and the plan is to go with a ZL1. I really want to get a ZL1, guys. Now, everyone has mentioned they want me to keep the Camaro build the bottom end, make it go faster, do this, do that with the SS. But honestly, I just have PTSD when it comes to built engines and the history in the past that I've had with the G8, which if you guys are super OGs of the channel will know, I had 3 built motors in that car and went through all 3 of them, and it just was not a fun time to have built motors. I guess I just either didn't pick the right shop or didn't get the right builder to build the engines, but that was not a fun time. And really, I want to push these cars to their limits on their stock bottom ends. I don't want to start messing too much with it. I want to be able to show the community, the YouTube community, what it is and what performance you can get out of a stock bottom end. I think we've done that with the SS, guys. This thing has performed amazing. I mean, 9.6s at 140s is nothing to sneeze at on nitrous, and even 10s NA without a converter, without the full complete setup. I mean, you just can't go wrong with that. So this car has been just amazing, and I'm sure the future owner is gonna really enjoy it. Now it's time to move up to the next level to go faster, and that is the ZL1, guys. The ZL1 will be able to do a little bit more than what this has with its stock bottom end. Of course, this has the LT1, the ZL1 has the LT4, which is a little beefier bottom end. Will actually be able to support 800-900 horsepower, where this is limited to about 700. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what we can do. And if we went 9.6s, 9.5s with this setup, we better be going low 9s or high 8s with the ZL1. And I know it's possible because Brett has already done that with his ZL1, and I can't wait to work with him hopefully in the future on that ZL1 and start from the beginning with Brett over at Pre Performance to really get that ZL1 doing the tip-top performance and showing people what the ZL1 platform can do with the stock bottom end. Well, I did have to kind of lift this up to get everything, but it was completely removed, and I've gotten the hood cleaned up. And guys, this 3M gloss really does work great and doesn't leave really any residue or anything behind. Gotten this piece and slowly working my way around. Oh man, there you have it, guys. I removed the black stripes. Still have to remove some of the lettering and the Instagram tags and YouTube tags, but the car is back to all white. I know a bunch of you guys actually prefer this over the stripes, so there you go. And guys, that 3M vinyl wrap actually was very easy to remove. Didn't have as much trouble as I thought. Everything came out super clean. I mean, you can see where the car was clean and then it's been dirty, so I do got to wash it down a little bit. But overall, guys, I'm gonna miss the black stripes, not gonna lie. But the ZL1, hopefully if I can get one, I won't be white. Comment down below what color you think I will be getting a ZL1, and comment down below what you guys think. Did you guys like the stripes? Did you not like the stripes? Now we just got to put the black wheels on and it'll have that black and white theme that I've been going forever on this car, and look super good. You don't know what a difference those stripes and any type of design you do to the car make until you remove it, guys. But we are back to all white. We've got the street wheels set up on the car, and man, this thing, I mean, it looked amazing even with the all white, as you guys can tell. but I do miss those stripes. Now, unfortunately, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, all things come to an end. And guys, this is the end of the Camaro SS. But don't worry, because we are going to get something better, and something that it might not be better from when we get it, but just like when I went through the whole process of getting the right combination, getting the right parts for this Camaro SS, that next car is also going to go through that same transformation, guys, and I'm going to be showing it to you guys here on the channel. So if you haven't, make sure to subscribe so you can keep an eye on what new car we're going to get. And no, it's not a C8. I do have the C8 Z06 on reserve, but of course that's not going to come out until either next year or the year after that with the delays. But for now, guys, here we have it. I'm still going to enjoy it and drive it until everything gets finalized, and definitely will keep everyone updated on this whole process, how this all goes, how I ended up selling it, and we'll talk about what I sold it for and all of that in future videos. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are excited about what's to come to the channel here in 2021. So hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.